Glendale Divorce Timeline, What to Expect. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're planning to file for divorce in Glendale, one of the first questions you probably have is, how long does it take? Let's go over the typical timeline so you know what to expect from start to finish. Since Glendale divorces are filed through Los Angeles County, everything is handled electronically through the LA Superior Court system. This makes the process much smoother and more efficient, especially when you're working with a service like ours. We start by filing your petition electronically and getting your case number. Within a few days, your spouse is either served or signs a notice of acknowledgement to confirm receipt. After that, both spouses complete and exchange their financial disclosures. This includes listing all assets, debts, income, and expenses, and is required even if both of you are in full agreement. Once disclosures are complete, we draft your settlement agreement and prepare the final judgment paperwork. As long as everything is in order, we can submit the final judgment package to the court after 31 days from the date of service or signed acknowledgement. Even if you move quickly through all the paperwork, California law requires a mandatory 6-month waiting period before your divorce can be finalized. That 6-month clock starts on the day your spouse is served or signs the acknowledgement form. We recently helped a Glendale couple complete all paperwork and disclosures in just 2 weeks. Their judgment was submitted and approved by the court within days. After that, they just had to wait for the 6-month mark for the divorce to become official. At Divorce 661, we make sure your documents are correct, the timing is right, and everything is filed properly so your divorce is finalized as soon as legally possible. If you're ready to move forward with your divorce in Glendale and want to avoid delays, visit Divorce661.com and book your free consultation. We'll take care of the details so you don't have to.